Hi everyone, welcome back to Yame Kim. I'm Yame. I'm Yame Kim. Today I will demonstrate how to use Cisco Cybervision, the API. So, you know what is Cybervision? Before that, actually, until now, I did the test Cisco product API. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this is 11th series. And one thing you have to know. So this NM is even it work, and there is no EOS, but you know, Nexus dashboard is right now. It's new version. Actually, this time is version 11 and Nexus dashboard is version 12. So you'd better use Nexus dashboard, I think, but it's more expensive. Okay, alright. So you know what is Cybervision? Cybervision is especially a kind of visibility tool for the factory, not the IT, so-called OT, operation technology. So actually the factory is actually it's a dark side, it's a black hole, so nobody knows what's going there. So I spend a lot of time at factory, but sometimes when there is trouble, nobody knows. So what is that IP address? Who use it? Nobody knows. Then and last year, I have been to some factory. There was very slow down of PLC, so I go there and try to capture the packet between them to analysis, but no packet was there. So I just say, "Oh, no packet is here." But they say, maybe there is a route because PLC has multiple NIC network the card. So they say the traffic is detoured to another the route. So I do nothing. that that's what I did over there. So actually in the factory in the OT area, so visibility is more important. But visibility is very simple actually. So IP address, MAC address, and the owner, where is it? That's first thing. So Cybervision does it. So first, so at the switch or the sensor, it analyzes the traffic and send the metadata here, or the traffic is spent to the Cybervision and it analyzes the packet. Cybervision is actually two functions. One is visibility, second is the security. So you know, Cisco has a Snort engine. Snort is one of the most nicest, one of the most beautiful, the IPS engine, and so Cybervision is very powerful to analyze the packet. Okay, so Cybervision is very important to the factory, not the office, not a data center. Okay, and Cybervision API is very nice. It's very easy to use. So it did use token. It used token to authenticate, and for the token you can get it from the web page. Token period is you can define, and API guide, the API test, and sample code is provided at the Cybervision web page. Very simple, very easy. Somebody say because it's a new product, it's a modernized product. Its API is very nice, but you know this is actually not a Cisco product when it was born. Cisco merged this product from France. Because of that, the API is no more, I guess. Okay, this is the DevNet page. At the DevNet, there are some examples. Also, if you search the website, there are many samples, and you can get the help. And okay, this is Cybervision. Cybervision, and this is like IP addresses and some data over there. So if you click, and you can get what is over there. So IP MAC and the vendor name like that. So many data is over there. So, but if we do it at the factory, and you can recognize the PLC and the command like that. So it's pretty nice at the factory. Actually, factory product. Go to the admin, and there is an API. API token is here, so you can make your token. Make a token, and you can set up the expiration time like that, and create and show, and you can use this token. Simple. And documentation. Okay, hold on. I copy it. Okay, documentation is here. So this is the API guide. Wow, huge. And if you want to test it here, so you can authorize yourself by token. Okay, and just to click, and there are some explanations here, and you can click try it out. Okay, if you need some option, put it here and click execute. It work, and you also show the call command. You can copy this command and go here and call to Python and click. Alright, here. So very simple to use this API. I like it. And but you know, some code is it doesn't, if you copy this the result, some JSON viewer doesn't invert into the plain text. So you can read it here, the blah 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 over there. Alright, let's go. I explain this one. Here. Something wrong. I show you something, but here are some data here, but the Cybervision automatically tag the client, the object, but it's not enough. Here, for these IP addresses, so we want to add what is host name, type, and location, especially owner, and the phone number or email or something. We have to put that on. When there is some trouble or something is happened. For example, so this PLC, the .109, it has a problem. So it disconnected or something wrong. So what should I do? Just sitting down in the operation room, or make a phone call. So, but I want to make a phone call, but I don't know. I have no idea. From network team, security team, they have no idea usually, because it's black hole. So, but if we have this one, and if it's added here, by click it, we can know what's over there. But here is why it has this one. Already here. So you can make a phone call. So this is important. So, but before that, so we have to make a primary key. So usually the IP is primary key. IP is unique. The public IP is unique in the world, but private IP is unique in a small limited area, usually in a company. But problem is, actually in the factory, so network A and sometimes network B use same IP addresses. So primary key here in the example, primary key is group name and device IP address. Two thing is the primary key address for me. Also, every IP address has its own the object ID. Object ID is used internally in the system, but for me, so group and the device name is used to distinguish. Here is the component. So the result. This is label, the group. Here, this is group label and IP. This is object. This is component object ID. This is also important. Actually, we have to know that by the label and the IP address. Alright, I just show you this one. And final code is very simple. Here, when there is no tag here, no custom tags here, I want to put this tag here in the XFI and read the XL and put this here. And here, this is a flow chart. First, read the Excel line. The Python can read Excel, then compare the group name and the IP address to get the component ID, and then using the component ID, so insert the custom properties one by one. Very simple. Before that, I have to remove. I have removed the custom ID tag first. Alright, here no custom properties. So here number 150 is very simple. The read Excel and get the component, the IP and group name, and then if it's the same, to insert the data into the component one by one. So I tried to put it in a way, but it didn't work. I did insert one by one. Whoa, oh my god. Okay, just try it. And here, if I click this here, type PLC and hostname is here, location is DC1 Rec 3, owner Richard, and phone number is blah blah blah. Oh, this one is here, Daniel phone number is 5588, like that. Okay, it's very simple. Alright. Here, so as you see it, this is 11th, so Cisco API series. So if you wanna use Cisco the API, so you can visit Yame Kim, my YouTube channel. You can get help, sample code. Always sample code is supplied. See the see the explanations over there at the YouTube channel. Okay, this is Yame Kim. See you again soon. Bye bye.